Making a quick video here. We got some ugly tile. We're going to show you guys how to take care of that. We are taping it all off, making sure all loose debris is gone. Clean the tiles, make sure there's nothing going on. And you go pick up some of this stuff right here, and you will not be able to scratch. You'll need a sander to get this stuff off. So anyways, that stuff's made for like marine boats and stuff like that. Rust-Oleum. It's got an enamel on it. This stuff is great. You could make this whole tile, this shower, look like brand new. Over here, all this is gonna look amazing. You'll see the end of the video, carry on. How's it going over there? Oh yeah.
Get your butt done.
You'll have to get two guys like this who could do their job, clean it up. Great guys, great guys. Look at that. Did you look at it? All right, so again, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Got a little roller, that's how you apply it. Roll it on 2 coats, you'll be good. I don't know what else to say about this, but just to see how it comes out. Second coat going on, waiting for a third. Show you guys what's going on in the shower here. 1 coat. A little dark in here. I think this part has 2 coats right here, but that third coat's just gonna finish it off. It'll be bright white like that. That piece has 3 coats on it.